Okay, so we're going to go right here, and if we can't find Zoom, we're going to look right down here. Click open. Okay. Alright, we're going to schedule a new meeting. We did a sign-in sheet, but I don't know where it ended up.
Peter picked it up.
Who?
I know Peter Emerson, but I don't know what he did with it. He picked it up.
Okay. Sign-in sheet?
Yes. We just kind of made one up.
Is that for the afternoon? This is just this morning. Okay. Do we need to, are the same people here?
No. We can send another sheet around in a minute.
What I'm going to do is just make a check next to the people that are sitting here.
Do you want a highlighter?
Huh?
Do you want a highlighter? Okay. All right. So I'm talking into this right now so that you can hear what I'm doing.
Okay.
So we're going to schedule a new meeting. This is a place for you to change the name of the meeting. So if you want this to be for your percussion class, you could change this to percussion class.
Peter's here, but he's helping with the computer checkout.
Chris Lewis is not here.
He was.
He was here for just a little bit. We left.
Okay, well, we started at 1, so how long was he here? 5 minutes? Because I was...
I'd say 20
Walking in the door does not count to be a change.
Oh. Okay. So I've set the time. We're going to set it here. You can choose any time. If it happens in the morning, say we start at, oh my goodness. So we start at, how is it not? Okay, we can type it in. So we're going to say that class starts at 8 o'clock. Okay, maybe not. Colin and Andy went back to their campus, and so did Chris. Okay, so 8 o'clock in the morning. All of these things are good. Remember, this is going to start both you and the participants without video, so you're going to have to turn that on yourself. If you want to, you can make this recurring, which means it would be active every day at 8 o'clock. Schedule. I did enter a start. Oh. We have to do it for tomorrow because...
Okay, I'll find it. The day is already over.
Yes.
Okay.
8 o'clock already passed. Okay. So that's scheduled. We're going to go to open the meeting. So now it's 8 o'clock. We're going to say it's 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. We want to start our meeting, so we're going to come over here. I'm going to click the start button. And it's going to open our meeting. So, and to start our video, we're going to click right over here. Ta-da!
Okay.
Alright. And then when we end, we want to end for all.
Okay.
If you are going to send this information to anybody, show meeting invitation, they will need this information right here. Okay? To get that, we're going to hold 2 fingers together over the highlighted material and click. Or copy invitation.